Hello all. In this video session, we are discussing the topic finding initial basic feasible solution of transportation problem using least cost method. As we already know, there are several methods available to obtain an initial basic feasible solution of a transportation problem. We discuss here one of the methods called least cost method. Also, for finding the initial basic feasible solution, total supply must be equal to total demand. Least cost method algorithm. Step 1. Find the cell with the least, that is minimum cost, in the transportation table. Step 2. Allocate the maximum feasible quantity to this cell. Eliminate the row or column where an allocation is made. Step 4. Repeat the above steps for the reduced transportation table until all the allocations are made. Example: obtain the initial solution for the following problem using least cost method. Here transportation problem is given in the tabular form. Here OI and DJ denote ith origin and jth destination respectively. Also here total supply is equal to total demand is equal to 24. Therefore, the given problem is a balanced transportation problem. Hence, there exists a feasible solution to the given problem. The least cost is 1, corresponds to the cell O1 D1 and O3 D4. Take the cell O1 D1 arbitrarily, allocate minimum of 6 and 4, that is 4 units to this cell. So the allocation is made as shown in the first table here, and the reduced table is also given here. The least cost corresponds to the cell O3D4 in the reduced table. Allocate minimum of 10 and 6, that is equal to 6 units to this cell. That is, the allocation is made as shown in the first table here, and the reduced table is given. In this reduced table, the least cost is 2 and it corresponds to the cell O1 D2, O2 D3, O3 D2, O3 D3. Allocate minimum of 2, 6, that is 2 units to this cell. So the allocation is made as shown in the first table here, and the reduced table is also given. In the reduced table, the least cost is 2, corresponds to the cells O2 D3, O3 D2, O3 D3. Allocate the minimum of 8 and 8, that is 8 units to this cell. Allocation is shown in the first table here, and the reduced table is also given. Here allocate 4 units in the cell O3 D2. Now in the final allocation is as shown in the table here. Transportation schedule is O1 D1, O1 D2, O2 D3, O3 D2 and O3 D4. Total transportation cost is 4 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 8 into 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 6 into 1, that is rupees 38. Rupees 38 is the minimum cost for transporting from given origins to the destinations. Thank you.